Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First we go to our PowerPoint on the computer. Create a new work page. Delete it first. Then we go to the Insert menu. Go to the right side of the screen. Select Video. Select this device. And here we can choose which video we will insert. Well, here the video has been inserted into the PowerPoint. Here you can edit. Adjust the size you want. Tap Play Video to see if the video can run or not. Here it can. Let's try running the presentation. We play the video. Well, here it can also be run. Adding videos to PowerPoint makes presentations more interesting, interactive, and easy to understand. Videos help convey messages clearly, provide media variety, and improve the overall quality of the presentation. We can also give a title to the video. Select the Insert menu. Right side, select Text box. We position the text as desired. And type the title as an example like this. After finishing, we can run the presentation. Play video. Okay, here it can be run. Adding video to PowerPoint makes presentations more interesting and interactive, and makes it easier to convey complex messages. Videos also add variety to media, increase visual appeal, and give a professional impression to the presentation. So that's it. Tutorial how to make photo and text in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.